about the body, we know how big the universe is and how small the solar system, and within the solar system, how small is Earth, how small we are. We are tiny. You know, you go a little bit further away, no, you cannot even see people on Earth. You only see the Earth. But we are big because within our own self, within our mind, you know how many things we can think of? We can think of big stuff, as big as the universe is in our mind. And in our body, there are a lot of atoms, particles, energy, water, air, everything is in our body. Okay? And not only is in our body, but is working. So many different things is happening all the time. And I will give you just an idea of this, since I don't remember all the numbers, so I'll read out some to you. There are how many bones in the body? 206 bones in our body. And guess what? When small children have more bones than grown-ups. Now that is a mystery.
No.
When children are born, they have many, many more bones because they are in pieces. They haven't joined together yet. If you touch a baby's head, it's not one skull. It's in pieces. So here to here is one piece, then there is a gap. It's a soft. Then in the top is soft. There, 5, 6, 7, 8 different pieces. Listen. So, and kids and small babies, their body is not like from here to here is one thing, here to, they are on little smaller pieces, and when they grow up, those pieces join. Okay? So children have even more bones than 206. Right, Abu? Okay. But grown-ups have 206 bones. How many muscles we have? About 600 muscles we have in our body. And how many tiny holes in our skin? From where the sweat comes out, where the little hair grows. It's about 5 million skin pores we have, of which 20,000 are in our face. And lots of things happen. We yawn. Why do we yawn?
Because if there's a crust in our eyes and stuff.
Not only that, what happens when you take a deep breath? So when there is some irritation in the lung, some irritation in the lungs, and you are kind of short of breath, so body says, take a deep breath. And it is also contagious. When in a room somebody takes a yawn, other people not knowingly start yawning.
Yeah, because Ricky just yawned and then I started yawning.
Yeah, right.
And I yawned.
And why do we sneeze? Because in our nasal passage there is some extra dust or irritation. So when you say "Achoo," comes out. And why do we burp? Why do we burp? There is extra gas in our stomach, and it is disturbing the digestion process. So I say, okay, come, right? And we belch and burp. How we get hiccups? Why we get hiccups?
Because we don't drink enough water.
That also, and there is a sudden squeeze or expansion in the diaphragm. You know where is the diaphragm? Between the lungs and the stomach, there is a thin line of flesh. Okay? So when you breathe properly, okay, this is the wrong way to breathe. Your stomach goes in and lung come out. That's a long way to breathe. You can't breathe much because to breathe properly, your lungs must expand downward. So what happens when you take deep breath in, the diaphragm pushes down and your stomach comes out. So if you breathe like this, you can take 4-5 times more breath than, because this is bones, right? This rib cage is bones. So the lungs don't have room to expand. So lungs can expand more going down than going this way. Okay? So this is a yoga lesson also. Always learn to breathe. Vicky, always learn to breathe, pushing the diaphragm down, let your abdomen expand. After that you expand your chest, it will be easier, like this. Yeah, that's good. But if I say, keep this here, and I cannot breathe. And when you don't breathe enough, what happens? You get less oxygen. Okay? You get less oxygen. And oxygen brings energy in you. Jay, right? More oxygen brings more energy. And you take a full breath like this. This is 4 or 5 times more breath and therefore more oxygen than simply breathing like this. This is chest breathing. Chest breathing, you can multiply 5 times and you get more oxygen. And 5 times more oxygen produces about 35-40 times more energy in the body. Okay? So remember to breathe properly. And there is something in my phone that I will read out to you. Very interesting. And this is a very interesting book. You should get a copy or I'll give you a gift. The Body, a Guide to Occupants. We are occupying the body, right? A Guide to Occupants. And it is by Bill Bryson. And here is 2 short paragraphs from it. We pass our existence within this warm wobble of flesh and yet take it almost entirely for granted. How many among us know, even roughly, where the spleen is or what it does? Or the difference between tendons and ligaments? Or what our lymph nodes are up to? How many times a day do we supposed to blink? How many times a day do we blink? Any guess? Between 14,000 times a day, so much that your eyes are shut for about 23 minutes for every waking day. Okay? That's a big number. About 14,000 times. Now, yet you never have to think about it, because every second of every day your body undertakes a literally unquantifiable number of tasks. How many total number of things are happening in the body? It's called a vigintillion, quadrillion times, huge number. All events, some number vastly beyond our imagination, without requiring an instant of your attention. In the second or so since you started this sentence, your body has made 1 million red blood cells. Wow. They are already speeding around your veins, coursing through, keeping you alive. and each of these red blood cells will rattle around you about 150,000 times, repeating delivery of oxygen to your cells, and then battered and become useless, and they will leave your body. This is something we must appreciate, that even when we are sitting quietly, so many things are happening in our body. Okay? Which means what? Which means, Jay, which means we need to appreciate who we are and take care of it. What do you mean take care of your body? Eat the right food,
Exercise, drink a lot of water.
exercise, drink a lot of water, and most important, learn how to rest. How to rest and how to quiet the mind. How to rest the body and rest your mind. Okay?